Live from the world's capital markets, here are the financial headlines, brought to you by Legion Academy.
Hello and welcome to Tuesday's Daily Financial Digest.
South Korean consumer electronics company LG has partnered with Hedera Network to launch an NT marketplace called LG Art Lab, with the aim of boosting NFT adoption on its smart TVs. Oil prices jumped more than $1 a barrel as investors eyed possible moves by OPEC Plus producers to tweak production and support prices. Global stock markets sank as Europe faced a new squeeze on Russian gas supplies. London and Frankfurt opened lower. Tokyo, Hong Kong and South Korea fell while Shanghai gained. The dollar-yen pair traded sideways in the last session. The CCI indicates an overbought market. The pound rose 0.3% against the dollar in the last trading session. The stochastic RSI's positive signal contradicts our overall technical analysis. The Bitcoin-dollar pair dove 1.2% in the last session. The stochastic RSI is giving a negative signal, which matches our overall technical analysis. The gold-dollar pair made a minor upwards correction in the last session, rising 0.1%. The Williams indicator is giving a positive signal. Japan's JP foreign reserves will be released at 23:50 GMT. Finland's trade balance at 0600 hours GMT. The Dutch Consumer Price Index at 0430 GMT. Australia's RBA rate statement will be released at 0430 GMT. Australia's RBA interest rate decision at 0430 GMT. The US ISM Services PMI at 1400 hours GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Tuesday's financial report. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.